Welcome back to CUTENESS.
In part 1, we shared our travel day with an unexpected 7-hour delay.
Join us now as things get back on track. Hi, good morning.
Good morning.
We have had, it's not really morning though, it's just slightly afternoon because after the 6 to 7 hour travel delays yesterday, we finally got in at 7 o'clock this morning?
Something around there, 6:45, 7 o'clock. Yeah, it was crazy.
We grabbed some breakfast, we took a good long nap, and now we're dressed and we're ready and we're on our way to meet a very, very important person. We cannot wait.
Can't wait.
Okay, we'll see you there.
Oh, it's cold.
It's cold. It's cold, it's brisk, that is snow. We are not used to that. Wow.
Some California girls for a cold couple days. Cold couple days.
Is that your Gigi? That's my mom. I'm your Aunt Carol.
Went on a very long and treacherous journey to get just to see you. Let me tell you,
It was a quest.
It was a quest. It was epic.
We spent the rest of the morning getting to know Olivia and catching up with family.
It was a very special time.
Oh, what a fun morning, hanging out with family.
And now it's time for pony shoes.
It's cold. It's really freaking cold.
It's cold.
It's cold. Let's explain what a horseshoe is.
A horseshoe is a central Illinois specialty that originated in Springfield, Illinois.
It's an open-faced sandwich covered in cheese fries.
Certainly not healthy, but delicious every once in a while. Okay, so here we go. I'm gonna do a fry. They're coated with something on the outside of the fries. That's interesting. You can customize your horseshoe with your choice of meat, like turkey, chicken, ham, hamburger, or even schnitzel.
And a pony shoe is just a smaller portion.
Lincoln, Illinois is a super cute town with beautiful Victorian houses and a replica of the historical courthouse where Abraham Lincoln practiced law.
It's one of the stops on historic Route 66 and home to the world's largest covered wagon.
The wagon cover wasn't out due to the weather, but it was still fun to stop and see Honest Abe.
Lincoln, Illinois was named for him, and he christened the town with watermelon juice. So yesterday was a lot of fun, a lot of family time. We kind of stopped vlogging because we were just too busy being present.
Just too busy being present, being great aunts, and having such an amazing time with little baby Olivia.
But we are up early this morning and we're getting ready to go meet the family for breakfast. Then we're gonna try swimming.
Got to take Olivia swimming for the very first time.
She absolutely loved it. She's definitely a mermaid.
We had an absolute blast.
We are on our way to go to Clinton to go have Monical's pizza.
It's got some of the best thin crust, like a cracker pizza, and a fantastic salad. It's just iceberg lettuce and tomatoes and cheese. It's just fantastic dressing for both the salads, and people put it on the pizza.
We've all been eating Monical since we were kids.
We especially love the salad, the dressing, and the thin and crispy crust. It's our favorite. So at Monical's, the secret is you have to put the French dressing on the pizza.
It's so thin and crispy. It tastes like a cracker. There is nothing like this in the entire world. We love Monicals. It's amazing.
After lunch, we drove to our nephew's house for some more family time.
It never ceases to amaze me how flat Illinois is.
You can truly see for miles and miles. Please take a moment to like and subscribe. We appreciate it. We'll forever cherish these moments of meeting Olivia for the very first time.
Join us next week for part 3 as we head back to California.